In today's video, I am going to teach you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open your account settings, where you can manage payment options and other account features. From the Settings area, look for the Product Settings section. Under that section, click Payments. This will take you to the main Payments configuration page for your Stripe account. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. This is where Stripe lists all of the payment methods that can be enabled for your business. Scroll through the available payment methods or use the search bar to save time. Find the option called US Bank Account, also labeled ACH Direct Debit. Once you locate it, click on it to open its settings page. Stripe will show you details about this payment method, including any eligibility requirements that apply to your account or business type. Take a moment to review the requirements carefully. If your account is eligible, click Enable or Turn on to activate ACH Direct Debit. In some cases, Stripe may ask you to review and accept additional terms before the payment method can be used. If that happens, read through the terms, accept them, and then click Save to apply the changes to your account. After ACH Direct Debit has been enabled, the next step is to confirm that it is available in the payment flow you plan to use. Open the payment experience, where you want customers to pay with ACH. This could be a payment link, a checkout session, an invoice, or a subscription. Check the available payment methods in that flow, and make sure US Bank Account or ACH Direct Debit appears as an option. Once you have confirmed that the payment method is visible, complete a test payment. This helps you verify that ACH payments appear correctly during checkout, and that the setup is working as expected. Testing is important because it allows you to catch any issues before customers begin using the payment method. If everything looks correct and the test payment goes through properly, then ACH payments are ready to use in your Stripe account. Your customers will now be able to pay directly from a US bank account wherever you have enabled this payment flow. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.